had the best chariots, which would equate to, I don't know, Bugattis, right? You had 1,000 wives, and a lot of these wives were the daughters of kings, and so we assume that I'm sure that they were probably extremely beautiful. I mean, out of 1,000, 1,700 wives and 300 concubines. So I'm sure there was a lot of them beautiful. Maybe there was some to him, like obviously there we know historically that there was some uh, you know, alliances formed and he would marry other king's daughter. Then and Solomon said, well, he loved beautiful women, right? You have all of this, Solomon. You have all this. Surely your life is awesome. And what does he say? It's all meaningless. Vanity of vanity. It's all meaningless. Wow. You see that? So even King Solomon shows us that true fulfillment, true happiness, true joy comes from the Lord.